So guys, this chapter was awesome and there were great reveals in this, mainly about Momonosuke and Ryuma. So be ready with keeping chapter aside you, and without wasting time, let's start after the intro. So guys, it starts where chapter 1022 ended. After Zoro and Sanji attack King and Queen, the people around them cheer them up. Chopper shocks that Zoro healed in an instant. Then a Kaido soldier tries to snipe Zoro, but Kawamatsu attacks that soldier.
Next panel we see Marco, who states that he only know that Marich was on Red Line, but he remembers past about Whitebeard. When he says that there was Godland upon Red Line, Marco says, "What nonsense are you talking, Pops?"
I really shocked reading this panel, really shocked. Don't shock that fast, there is still so much to say about this wonderful chapter. Then let's get into it. Then Marco asks Izo that, "Do you believe in God?" Then Izo replies, "Whitebeard could talk like this while he was drunk." Then we see the two calamities who say that the attacks from Zoro and Sanji even doesn't hurt a bit. Probably these two dinosaurs claim that they are tough. But at last of the fight, we all know what is gonna happen. I will ask you all a question. Are balloons tough?
Then here cracks a joke by none other than King. When Sanji says to Zoro that his body is feeling weird after using great suit, then King says, "You do have weird eyebrows." Then a rare moment in your life appears. Zoro protects Sanji.
Then Queen attacks Sanji, but Sanji stops it. Then Queen says, "All of you Germa brats are modified. Does your flames are any kind of modification?" Then as usual, Sanji says, "This is not any modification. This is because of my passion." So guys, I'll give you a task. Rotate your leg until it burns. If it burns, admit it in an hospital. If it doesn't burn, then why are you waiting? Subscribe to my channel. After this rare moment, the balloon says that his advancements are advanced than of Vegapunks. Then we see fight between King and Zoro. Then here comes a mysterious person remembered by Kawamatsu as former daimyo named Shimotsuki Ushimaru. Believe me or not, he mentioned he is a direct descendant of sword god Ryuma. So guys, he also mentions Ryuma is a one-eyed samurai, means there is a reason behind Zoro's one eye. So we see the doggy fighting Jack and reminding his past. There is not much to talk about it. Then we suddenly see a hole in rooftop and doggy changes to super doggy, Sulong form. We also see the fight between the kitty and Perespero, the Candyman, making it clear the kitty is in its Sulong form, and remembering Pedro, who helped Luffy to escape from Whole Cake Island. We also see the fight between Raizo, the greatest ninja, and long-eared ninja. Then a dragon enters the battlefield. Wait. Do you all think it's Kaido? No, Oda surprised me and everyone. It's none other than Momonosuke, who aged 28 by the help of ripe fruit. Then Monkey D. Luffy says, "Let's take back the land of Wano." So that's it for today. And forget to say, the series I talked is coming out one by one. I think I have uploaded one video by the time I uploaded this video. Second video will be coming on Tuesday and third video will be coming on Thursday. So with that being said, see you all in next video. Until then, sayonara.